Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will take an in-depth look at VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of October, 2024, our system has classified as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.32. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects no change, standing at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the upper segment of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line, which is at $528.90, would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 3.72% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 3.28% to positive 4.92%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 32.54% over the next year, with potential returns between 25.86% and 34.54%. This would correspond to a price range of $658.02 to $703.41 after a year. Our latest daily update for VOO features the headline, VOO ETF upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The VOO ETF price increased by 0.0172% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024. It rose from $522.74 to $522.83. During that day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.82%, reaching a low of $519.58 and a high of $523.84. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 1.32% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 3 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.61 billion. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $529.91, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price stands 1.34%, or $7.08, below the 52-week high of $529.91, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO, is currently attracting significant attention as the S&P 500 marks its best 9-month performance since 1997. This bullish trend positions VOO favorably for investors seeking exposure to broad market performance. Moreover, as the S&P 500 reaches an all-time high, historical trends suggest that maintaining investments in top ETFs like VOO can yield positive returns in the near term. Recent market dynamics have been influenced by the Federal Reserve's decision to cut interest rates for the first time in 4 years. Such monetary policy changes typically encourage investment in stocks and ETFs, enhancing the appeal of VOO as a long-term investment option. This is further supported by record inflows into U.S. ETFs, surpassing $10 trillion in assets, which underscores the growing confidence among investors. With VOO being closely aligned with its underlying index, its performance will likely remain strong as long as market conditions are favorable. Currently priced at $530, it stands near its all-time high, signaling robust investor interest. In the short term, VOO could benefit from continued market momentum, while in the longer term, its diversified exposure to the S&P 500 is positioned to capitalize on overall economic growth trends. Overall, VOO's alignment with these market indicators makes it a key player to watch in the evolving investment landscape. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $525.51. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $515.13. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 26, 2024, and thus far, it has declined by 0.92%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 214 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $522.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. Overall, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low for this stock. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $4.25 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.82%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced a daily average volatility of 0.95%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $523.88. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $522.74. If this support level remains intact, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $504.56, reflecting a decrease of 3.5%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot peak identified 4 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning you may want to hold or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since the last evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements over the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of October, we anticipate VOO will open lower, approximately down 74 cents, and begin trading at $522.08. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.